Let's prepare some goat meat. Goat meat. Alright guys, I'm going to make some goat meat. I'm cooking yam. So I have to boil the goat meat. I'm cooking it with goat meat. So I use goat meat to make stew. Then I boil white yam separate. White yam and stew. So I'm boiling the meat now. This is goat meat. I have to season the meat. I add my onions. I add my complete seasoning. And this is complete seasoning. So I add my cubes and so this is the goat meat. They look now. And this is garlic and ginger. I have to grate it. I don't like blending it. So I use grater to grate it. This is red pepper. I have to boil the red pepper. Sorry, I have to blend the red pepper for the stew. So it's time to start cooking the stew. Add my oil, the grated ginger and the garlic. And this is the onion, chopped onion. And this is the tomato, cut tomato. And this is the crushed tomato. And this is the red pepper, the blend red pepper. So I added my cubes, Maggi cubes, crayfish, curry, Jamaica curry, and complete seasoning. And this is my goat meat. I add my goat meat. So the stew is almost done. See the look now. It's so nice. So I have to boil my yam. I'm cutting the yam now. I'm gonna boil my yam because the stew is already ready. Cut the yam and boil it. So I wash it. After cutting the yam, I wash it and put it in the pot. Now it's time to boil it. Alright guys, it's ready. The yam is ready now. Alright, food is done. Let's start to serve the food. Let's serve the food. Alright, if you are watching all the way to this time, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.
More sauce. More sauce.
One sauce? That's enough sauce.
Huh?
That one is clear.
Give me more sauce. But she had only one, and you gave her biscuits.
Let's eat some yam. Yam, guys. Yum, yum, yum. It tastes so good. You like the meat, right? The goat meat. It's super, super good. You like it?
Yeah.
I made her silver spoon. See you guys. Bye.